Kamusta kayo mga kaibigan? This is Vince G, the former Vincent Gagliarte. Kung mapapansin nyo, pinalitan ko na naman yung pangalan ng YouTube channel ko, pero this is the same old me. Pinaikli ko lang yung pangalan ko, at yung naabutan nyo si Mojo Jojo, nako, kinalimutan ko na yon kasi we're living a new life. So sa mga bagong subscribers ko, thank you so much for subscribing. Probably na-boost kayo nung last unboxing video ko, which is yung safer microphone ng Red Dragon. And after that, nasa na? Nga, yung channel ko wala nang unboxing video. So I decided to create another unboxing videos. Kasi from May, October na, I need some content. Man, ang hirap gumawa ng content ha. Ayan yung pinakamahirap sa mga content creators dito sa YouTube. Bukod sa wala kang sponsor, sariling pera mo pa yung gagamitin para makapag-review ng isang item. And we're gonna review something that came from Shopee. So tong Shopee na to, nag-add sila ng phone for $99 and I decided to buy it kasi it's really cheap. So we're gonna test right now kung solid ba talaga yung mga phone na nakukuha mo sa Shopee for around like below 5,000 pesos, at kung tama ba yung mga naka-advertise doon sa description. Syempre mamaya paasa eh. And before we begin this video, I would like to thank Jeff Elvena Tofu Boy for sponsoring this video with his dinakdakan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa YouTube channel niya, please do subscribe to One Man Food Trip. Akala nyo cellphone unboxing to, pero may foods din syempre kasi daw kumain eh. And syempre papakita ko muna, ingitin ko muna kayo. Solid man! So balik tayo ngayon sa pinaka-content talaga natin, no? We're gonna do an unboxing video of a cheap smartphone sa Shopee. So magkano i-invest ko dito? Around 2,500 pesos to 3,000 pesos lang naman. Sabihin natin 2,700 para sarado, di ba? Ang makukuha natin sa Shopee na phone na pinakamura is this one. Kita nyo yung box? Napaka minimalistic. Hindi mo nga alam kung anong brand to eh. Hindi quad camera yung brand. So this phone is NOWA6 Pro 8GB plus 128GB. Wow, for that specs, panalo kaya ang 2,700 pesos natin? Pero mo, you'll get an 8GB of RAM and 120GB of ROM as advertised. Pero syempre, kaya tayo nandito para alamin kung legit ba talaga na 8GB of RAM at 128GB of ROM ang laman nitong phone na talaga na to. And we're gonna open it right now. Look at that, very minimalistic box. Sana hindi tayo ma-disappoint at sana hindi phone case ang laman nito. I doubt. Actually, there's a phone inside. Interesting. Is this real? Is this real, man? Is this real? Thank you for the screen protector plus the phone case. Earphones. This is the charger. This is the pin. Ito yung pambukas mo ng SIM card slot and the memory card slot if ever meron. Wow! So this is the actual phone, no? Meron na rin siyang screen protector. So this one is, I think, the extra screen protector. Woo! The back of the camera, lalaki ng font. No brand indicated para sa 2,700 pesos mo. Don't need people to see this warning sign. Pineflex mo na mahilig ka sa malaking font. And meron tayong tatlong camera, flash the flashlight, volume up, volume down, and then power button. 3.5mm audio jack. Oh wow, hindi siya type C. Speaker plus the microphone if may kausap ka. We're gonna open this phone. Tingnan natin kung legit na Android phone ba talaga to or bogus. Welcome! Amazing! Pagbukas mo pa lang, ramdam na ramdam ko na. Kung naabutan nyo yung imitation ng iPhone, yung may kailangan pa ng stylus, tapos yung nilaro mo parang mahjong, mga Chinese games. Ito yung nararamdaman kong vibe sa kanya actually. Wow, it's Android! It's really Android! We are getting an Android phone! Amazing! So this is the phone mga kaibigan. No? I'm impressed that this is an Android phone. Legit na Android phone. Nakita niyo yung mukha ko dito. I'm really doing this. Let's swipe up to unlock. Just a regular Android phone. Pero let's see kung... Pero wawa. Wala siyang welcome. Wala siyang welcome na ano. I mean, yung setup ng Android, parang gamit na siya. Parang may gumamit na sa kanya. Pero... what you call this, let's go to the settings and let's see kung legit pa yung 8GB na RAM at 128GB na ROM. So how do you browse the browser? Let's go to the File Manager and let's see. Hey, holy man, holy, this is really legit. So you can see, man, 128GB. Ewan ko kung kita nyo. Tataas ko kaya brightness. I don't know, it's like AMOLED, pero I think this is not AMOLED eh. LCD lang siguro to. The settings are here, complete naman. Sounds, memory, let's see the memory. So wow, 8GB. We don't know the specs, by the way. We don't know kung ano ang laman nito, pero it's really 8GB. I kind of feel a bit laggy. May delay pa rin, I don't know. It's like 8GB RAM, pero dapat natutuwa ka na. Pero the processor, I don't know what is the processor. Kahit mag-search ka sa internet, I can't find it kasi it's like a brandless brand. Pero it says in the description na it's an 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Android 10 FYI, Android 10 siya min. Android 10. Is this really happening? For a 2,700 pesos phone, this is an Android 10. I don't know if this is an imitation or not, pero wow, cool. The build is Android, legit Android 10. So we're gonna download Mobile Legends and let's see kung smooth ba siya for gaming. Kasi of course everyone plays Mobile Legends. Isa pang in-advertise nila dito is the camera. We're gonna check if maganda ba yung photo quality niya, and let's try. The focus is not good. Yep, it's not really good actually. It's not like 13 megapixel to me. And the front camera is this one. As you can see, nakikita nyo yung GoPro ko. Yan. We're gonna test out kung maganda ba yung video nya. If you need to video something or take a photo, I think this is not bad. Pero you can adjust the frame rate. That's so bad. Oh, you can change the lens. Wait, this is just bogus, man. This is the only lens that's really working right now. Yan, tapos yung iba. The flashlight, let's see the flash if it's really. But where is the flash? Ang cute. Wow! Parang wala eh. Parang walang kwenta eh. Yo, yeah. The flash is the another thing na parang ayoko. Kasi sobrang ano eh. The flashlight isn't really effective on dark areas, man. Sobrang hina niya for me and it's not, I think this is not gonna be a good for a flash. We're gonna open YouTube and see the audio quality, kung maganda ba yung tunog niya. Yeah, I feel so I feel like it's so slow. Wow, Cocomelon, tatay na tatay And the buttons is kind of responsive naman. Hindi siya ganun ka-delay, pero this will do. I kinda feel na it's for the show. Parang yun lang, mema lang yun. Pero the real RAM of this one is like 2 gig. Kasi ang bagal eh. Hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. The response rate is not that good. Yung display niya hindi rin ganoon kaganda. Whoa! This phone is not 1080. 480p. 480p, man. So disappointed. This is 480p. How can you play such high quality videos if your phone is 480p? but I can't complain. I only paid 2,700 pesos and I think this won't disappoint me. Kaya pala parang ang laki niya tignan because this is the normal eh. Ayun o, normal size na siya. If you put it on small, well, it's doable. Pero it's still 480p resolution. This is 1080, but yeah, let's see how Mobile Legends goes, and I think we have to stop right there. Project next. Project next. We're gonna play Mobile Legends right now. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya ka-smooth pagdating sa game. Now we have a reduced quality of 480p. Wow. Wow, wait a minute. Nasaan ang setting? How can I kill this? Yeah, of course. You need to give me button. Her? Bal mo di sa her? Ba't apat lang kami? I think this is 5v5, what the heck? Yep, and by the way, as you can see, I'm currently playing Mobile Legends right now. Let's see kung gaano siya ka, ano, actually, yeah, pwede na siya. Pero let's play with the settings. Yeah, this is the smooth one, pero yep, let's try medium. Wow, doable naman. Pero yep, I feel some reduced frame rates are happening. And syempre, hardcore, high. Yes. Low resolution optimization. Wow, look at the low resolution, man. Look at the high settings, man. Look at that. This is not gonna work. So yeah, that's basically for my review. Although sobrang bagal niya in terms of gameplay, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. 8GB felt like 1GB RAM for me. The processors and the GPUs are not mentioned, kaya nagsa-struggle siya. And none of the less 480p resolution. Man, pero you can't complain because this phone is only 2,700 pesos on Shopee. So if you want to check this phone out, I can link you to the description. Nandun yung link para pupuntahan nila naman after this video. Kung nagustuhan nyo, nasisilaw ako sa ring light. Pero yes, pwede na siya if you need to contact anyone or to like connect with friends, do a call, emergency and stuff. Camera is not good pero doable naman. Every functions of the Android phone nandito na. And I think pwede mo siya i-flash and install a custom ROM, siguro yung mas mabilis or yung mas stable. Kasi Android 10, I think this is too much for this phone. That's all I can say. Thank you so much for tuning in into my video. Sana may susunod pa tayong i-unbox. Siguro kapag nakita natin na may murang gamit na naman sa Shopee or Lazada, dapat din natin pagtripan. This is Vince G. Thank you so much. And see you sa next video. I think for around 3 to 6 months ulit. Kasi wala pa tayong pera. Sponsor baka naman.